Okay, now let's move on to chapter 25. So let me just use this note here. So this is chapter 25, and this is called classification tree. So it's classification trees. Okay, so for classification trees, this is pretty much like you want to predict, something like, will someone purchase a radio headphone in the next month? Are you going to get a heart attack next year? Those kind of things. So classification tree usually predict a categorical means something like red, black, white, short, tall, something like that. Yes, no. So normally for classification tree we use binary. So whether yes or no, 0 or 1, something like that, usually predict a categorical outcome. Okay, so for this example, you have 10 persons, so 1 to 10 here, and you have the gender, the marital status of the person, income level, and whether or not these people bought yogurt. T-U-R-T, Greek yogurt, Greek. So this is the behavior of the person, of individual person about that, buying Greek yogurt or not. So the example here, before we do that, because before we go into the Excel sheet, I want to explain about terms that will be used in this Excel sheet. So the first thing that I want to do is one formula. This first one is called entropy. So for entropy, the formula is like that. It's very, it looks complicated, but calculation is not. So I'm just gonna show you the calculation. So I is 0, I equals to 0, and then up until c minus 1. And then this is pi x equals to a log 2 of p I x equals to a. I'm just going to explain you in example in just a minute. So this is how you calculate the entropy. The p of I here, so this is the fraction. So this is, let me just change. So this is the fraction of observation in class I given x equals to a. And I'll explain to you in terms of the actual example. All right, so and then also log 2 of 0 is defined to be 0. Normally log of 0 is undefined, but we define here that log 2 of 0 is 0. All right, so this is about entropy. And the second calculation that we need is called impurity. Impurity, and this is just a summation. I equal from 1 to s, the entropy I Ni divided by N, and we'll do the example in just a minute. So for example, and the example that we will do is from this example right here. Sorry, this example right here. So let's just find the impurity if we use gender to classify users. Okay, so what is the imperative if we use gender to classify user or to split the users? Okay, so here we know that in terms of gender, you have 1, 2, 3. You have 3 females, right? So there are 3 females, and all the females, they haven't bought yogurt at all. So let's just do it. So in the formula here, the first A is gonna be defined as female or male, okay, and number of females equal to 3, number of males equals to 7, okay. For I equals to 0 means no buying of yogurt. So I equals of 0 means no buying of yogurt. That means that for the female, 3 females do not buy yogurt. Okay, I equals to 1 means buy yogurt. So in this case, for the, and this means that hence 0 female buy yogurt, right? For the male though, for the male, how many males have bought yogurt? So let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 males, and out of these, only 1, 2, 3. So 3 males have bought yogurt. So for the males, 3 males buy yogurt, and 4 do not buy yogurt. Okay, so we have all the information that we have. So first thing first, we want to find the entropy of female, and this is going to be the sum of, you know, the sum of the entropy of the female. So this is going to be P I equals to 0, X equal to female times log 2, P I equal to 0, given X equals to female, plus P I equals to 1, X equals to female, times log 2, P I equals to 1, X equals to female. So in this case, this is going to be I is 0 means no buying of yogurt. So there are 3 female in this case, and all 3 of them do not buy yogurt. So the portion is 3 over 3. 3 of them, this is let's refer to 3 females do not buy yogurt. And this 3 is for all female. Okay, so it's 3 over 3 times, this is times log 2 of 3 over 3 and plus 0 over 3 times log 2 of 0 over 3. So log of 0 is 0, log of 1 is 0, so this is 0. Okay, so entropy for the female is 0. Entropy for the male, this is going to be Pi equal to 0, X equals to male, times log 2 of Pi equals to 0, X equal to male, plus Pi equals to 1, X equals to male, log 2 of Pi equals to 1, X equals to male. Okay, so in this case, the portion of guys who do not buy yogurt, so guys who do not buy yogurt is 4, so this is 4 divided by 7 times log 2 of 4 divided by 7 plus 3 divided by 7 times log 2 of 3 divided by 7. Okay, so I have 0.985. Okay, so by doing this, then I can calculate the total impurity of split. So impurity of splitting using gender is equal to, so this is equal to 3 over 10, 310 times the entropy of the female, entropy of female. And this is the number of female. This is the total number of samples. Okay, so 310 times entropy of female plus 710 times entropy of males. Okay, so you're gonna have 310 times 0 plus 710 times 0.985, and you got 0.69. Okay, so this is the impurity value for splitting using gender. We want to split on the variable whose child nodes yield the lowest level of impurity. So we want this number to be as low as possible. So we want this to be low. So, okay. So next I'm going to show you how to do it in the Excel sheet. Okay, so this is just to give you, the idea of how you can calculate entropy and impurity.